and take a look at this super awesome magic scrolling sign. Guys, how awesome would it be to have this in your world? Guys, it works on every single version just the same. I'm going to show you how. Let's do this right now. Hey there guys, Skippy here from Skippy 6 Gaming. Guys, coming to you with a crazy tutorial, guys. Scrolling, magical, colorful, awesome signs. This is going to be easy to do because it works on every single version of Minecraft. It uses command blocks, but very, very easy command blocks. And yeah, I'm going to show you how to do the colored text on every single version, guys. Switch, PS4, Xbox, all of them. It's hard to do a little bit, but I'm going to show you exactly how to do it on every version. Guys, for this one here, let's do 858 likes. If you are down with the cause, don't forget to hit me up below. Guys, if you like tutorials and stuff like this, guys, consider subscribing and turning your notification bell on because I do tons of tutorials here. So I'm going to show you one thing. I already took a video of it, but this is a weird glitch. Look. I have no idea what's going on in this world. Not only that, I never made this in my world. I didn't make this in any way, shape, or form. Not only that, watch this. It reappears. I have no idea what's going on. I already took a video of it. I'm going to put it on Twitter and tell Megaspud about it. But I just thought I'd show you. And I wonder if I just like break everything, if it's going to still come back. Oh my god. So I guess we're not going to do it. I'll turn my game sounds down. So guys, if you want to make a magical scrolling sign like this, the real key to success is these command blocks. The command blocks are basically going one by one and they're teleporting, cloning each of these signs going either way to the thing. So the only things you have to learn to make a sign like this in your world is A, how to make the different colors and effects on the signs and what the color codes are. And then you're going to have to learn what commands to put in the command blocks for this. So let's start off with the command block or with the color codes. Guys, they're different. There's a button on your video game that's called a section sign. That's right, a section sign. It's harder to find depending on the version you're on, but I'm going to show you. So first of all, we're on an Xbox right now, so I'm going to show this one last. First, we're going to show Switch. Guys, on a Nintendo Switch, first you look at this screen right here. This is going to be your first one. You hit the little world icon, then you go to the next one right here. You go to the symbol area there, then you go to number 3, and guess what? There is your section sign right there. This is going to be a sign you need to use with a number code to create a color. So let's keep going. Let's keep going down here. PS4, guys, on PS4, just go simply over to the left side screen. So next page, basically on your first one, and then go over to the next one here. And you're going to see, once you go over, this is going to have your section sign on the second page right here. So now we've done it on Switch and that. Let's go to Android or no, Java. If you are on Windows 10 or Java Edition, the easy way to do this is by holding down the Alt key and tapping 0167 on the number pad. Make sure it's the number pad and not the top numbers. This is going to give you the section sign. After you've done this, let's go down. We got Android Edition. Android Edition, you're going to know that right over here we got our kind of keypad area. You're going to see that P. In the top right hand corner, you see that backwards colored in P. You're going to want to hold down on that one. Hold down on it, and guess what's going to happen? If you hold down on it, you'll get another thing that'll pop up like this. And then bang, the section symbol will close in right under the P right there if you do that button. So that's going to be where it's hidden on an Android device. In addition, iOS is actually very simple. On an iOS, just hold down the and, you know, like S and J and whatever, but hold down the and symbol for a couple seconds and then your section sign will pop up. Last but not least, that's all you need to know for the color codes. I will throw this on the screen right now if you want to pause it. Some of them don't work on Bedrock at the moment. There's a glitch going on. I'll show you them, but these are just simple formatting codes. It shows you all the colors, and it shows you the different stuff like bold and stuff like that. Like I said, I have a couple of these in my display, but not every single one of them works at the moment on Bedrock. The glitchy one does not work on Bedrock at the moment, so I feel like it's a glitch, and yeah, we could carry on with our display. So since we're on an Xbox here and we want to start doing this, we're going to go ahead and just, let's just go ahead and make a sign. So to make your color-coded signs on an Xbox, you're simply going to go into your thing, and we're going to look for the section symbol on this. So the section symbol, guys, if you go to the next page, go to this weird paragraphy signal and hold down your A button. Once you do that, you can see your section symbol, and bang. Any number after it, as you can see in the background, I'll go down to show you. We'll do the color, and yeah, so for this one here, let's go say number 1. That's great. Let's put Skippy. There you go. Skippy is the champ, and yeah, and bang. You have blue letters on your sign. It's that easy. As you can see from my display here, dark blue, dark green, aqua, red, dark purple, gold. The number that you use with the section symbol is right next to each one, all the way down. So here we're going to get to the glitchy. So this one here is a glitch sign. It's kind of weird. Like I said, you're going to use the letter K. So again, we'll go find our section symbol, hold down, bang, do it, and then do the letter K. But unfortunately, there's a glitch. This will work probably on Java edition and most likely on other editions, but on Bedrock this way, it does it, but no matter what you do, you can see it's just going to stop it. And instead of randomly going like that, it's just going to show you the random weird numbers or whatever's here. So yeah, it's a glitch. It probably will fix in the future. So in the future, if you want that. In addition, we have L for bold and 0, I call it tilted, but you know, there's other words for that fancy English scholars use. And yeah, so let's bring it to the next step. The next step is we want to create the signs we need to get this guy going in the spiral. So basically the way that this sign is moving, it's actually a sign teleporting to it over and over and over again. It's a collection of 8 signs. And if you look down here, Skippy6 is the best YouTuber in the planet. Again, I used color codes on all the different levels. So you're going to use section sign 1, Skippy6. Next line, section sign 2 is the best. Next line, section sign 3 for a different color, over and over. So this one here is all 4 of those lines. When you get to the next one, what we're going to do is move the second line to the top and then keep going and add a new 5th line. Again, once we go here, you can see in the planet, follow him. Follow him's the new line. Go over here, is the best is gone. YouTuber in the planet, follow him on Twitter. And now when we go right here, everything moves up 1 again. Last line right now. So if you want to keep your scrolling looking really good, you're going to want to have a space right here. You're going to want to have an empty line. And again, what do? The very next one, after the empty line, we go right back to the beginning again. Skippy6, right? Skippy6 is the best YouTuber. Bang. And the reason why we're going to have that space move, right? Every time it teleports, we want the space to move up 1 more, and it's going to scroll, right? Last but not least, the very next sign that needs to be is this one, but at the beginning, right? Because that's the next sign. And once we do this loop, we're all going to go. So all you need to do for this actual, basically to make this yours, is you're just going to need to know the locations of all these signs. So as you can see, the first one, -50, 73, 90. This one's going to be the same exact thing, except it's going to be at -49, -48, -47, all the way down to 43. And then you're going to need the coordinates of where your sign is going to be, like this guy right here. So every single command block is going to have this coordinate in it, -50, 79, -90. So let's start this. First, you're going to give yourself a command block. It's easy enough to do. Go into your commands and put in slash. Basically, I'll put it right on the screen for you guys here. I'm trying to make sure I tell everybody how to do it. /give @self command block. So make sure there's a space in between the @self, the give, and the command block, and an underscore in the command block. Once you have it, we're going to be pretty easily done from there. You're going to be able to go over here and go and set up your first command block. So what you want to do is create yourself. There's going to be 8 signs in mine. So basically, space, block, command block, space, command block, space, command block. There's going to be 8 command blocks in total with a redstone repeater. You can put this one on full delay if you want. Full delay in between all of them. You can see it doesn't really change it up very much. Keeps it nice and smooth, nice and smooth. So once we do that, bang, basically exactly like this. And then what you do is after, you're going to bring the signal around and it's going to go all the way around. Make sure you put a redstone repeater in the middle of the signal, carrying it back, and make sure this is on 4 ticks delay. If this one's only on 1 tick delay, watch, it looks stupid. It does like a hitch right here. Whatever, I thought it looked stupid, so leave it at that. I think that's because we put this guy here. So when this guy's on a 1 tick delay, yeah, see right there? When that's on a 1 tick delay, see that weird hitch right there? So basically put one or the other, either this one or the one on the other side on a 4 tick delay. And you'll be good. And then it looks perfect again. Yeah, see? Perfectly smooth, right? Yeah, I think that's smooth. So now we're going to go into our command blocks. Once you have this set up, again, a good way to turn it on and off is actually with this lever. And when you want to do it, all you have to do is flick the lever on and off really fast. So like when you do this, you could go. See what I mean? And then it'll go. This one didn't lock. It's still going. Perfect. First command block. They're all exactly the same, guys. Make sure you go in like this. And you're going to see right here. So Number 1, these on the side all stay the same. Impulse, unconditional, needs redstone. Everything else is fine. Leave that alone. Then we're going to go into the command block input. Let's look at this hole. So it's as simple as this, guys. There's always a space between every coordinate, and it's easy as that. So this one here, when you look at it, you're going to type in clone, space. The first 3 coordinates there are the location of the location of the sign you want to copy. Then you're going to do it again. And then you're going to put a location of a sign that it's going to be on at the end. So let me just go through one more time. So the first 2 coordinates is this coordinate twice over, this coordinate, and then this coordinate. See how easy that is? Easy enough. Let's go into number 3. So let's go to number 2. Number 2 is located right here. You can see it's at -4973, right? So let's go over here to the source, to this block right here. We're going to open it, and you're going to see clone space -49 space 73 space -90. That's where the sign is. Space, do it again, -49 space -73 space -90 space, and then the last 3 coordinates you only have to put in once is the coordinates of the destination sign that you want to scroll. So that said, we got -50 space 79 space -90, and you're going to go down these blocks, and it's going to literally do it. You can see basically -48, -47, -46, and again, they're the same except 1 block away, right? And once this has happened, if you want to speed this up, you're all more than welcome to actually speed this up. I think you could just do this. It might be too fast though. I haven't even tried this without you guys. Since the video's over, I might as well do it. Let's see how fast it goes. Whoa! Skippy is the best YouTuber ever in the world right now. So basically, let's go ahead and take these 4 ticks off of here too. Hey, so you could literally speed it up, you could slow it down, and you could do whatever you want. Guys, don't forget to smash that like before you go. I don't know, I guess I can never take these out of my world. They're going to be here forever. Yeah, and subscribe if you want some more cool stuff, command blocks and ish like that. Guys, thanks a lot for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next one.